we took the ferry from Tekirdag across the Sea of Marmara to Erdek. From there, we cycled via Bandirma and Bursa to Eskisehir. At the beginning of our trip, we kept wondering how far we would get. Now, we've cycled to the very edge of Europe, and we're really proud of that. The ferry ride took over 5 hours. When we arrived in Erdek, it was 9 p.m. We cycled the 7 kilometers from the port to the hotel in the dark. The hotel had a lovely beach, but we were already moving on the next day. We made a short detour down to this peninsula. This sign warned us about free-roaming cats and dogs. There were a lot of dogs hanging around here. Going downhill, it wasn't a problem. On the way back, however, we had to pass by again. And we couldn't outrun this pack of dogs on our bikes going uphill. But we could, by bus. After 3 days of cycling in Anatolia, the Asian part of Turkey, we arrive in Bursa. With approximately 3.1 million inhabitants, Bursa is the 4th largest city in Turkey and is situated at the foot of the Uludağ Mountains. We explore Bursa on our own first, but then also take a guided tour. During the tour, we visit the Green Mosque, the tomb of Sultan Mehmed I, and the Great Mosque. We also went to the clock tower and watched the changing of the guard. Today is the last day of Ramadan, and tomorrow is Eid al-Fitr, the festival of breaking the fast. Therefore, everyone is out and about today running errands, and above all, buying sweets for the festival. Our walking tour, where we are the only guests, ends at the bakery with the best simit in the city. The next day, Eid al-Fitr, we begin with a mountain stage to the mountain village of Gemüsetepe. We'll take turns looking at these sites, since one of us always stays with the bikes. Revivalist houses, lots of people, and tons of knickknacks. And then I also spotted these slightly aged pieces of farm equipment. We continue on through Inegöl towards Eskisehir. The landscape becomes increasingly mountainous, and Sandra is now cycling under the Turkish flag. After a pleasant evening with Özcan from Filderstadt, whom we happened to meet in Inegöl in front of our hotel, it's another 2 days of cycling with plenty of elevation gain before we finally reach Eskisehir. Eskisehir, by the way, means Old City. Meerschaum is mined in the area around Eskisehir, which is why there are several shops selling Meerschaum pipes in the city.